Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you the difference between Sandbox and your file system in Claude Cowork. So let's start the video. As I said, in this video I will show you the difference between your file system and Sandbox in Claude Cowork, and I will show you how does it work in a more specific way. Because if we will move to the Claude Cowork, as you can see, right now I am not connected into any folders. So if I will try to do something like this, I will do Cloud and I will copy the path to this folder. As you can see, this folder contains 3 files. Something about AI.md, this is the file from the previous video, and this also are the files from the previous video, so it doesn't really matter. We have 3 files, and we can ask model to list all files from this folder. And we can paste this path. Of course, it will not work. Why? Because Claude Cowork don't have access to our file system. And now, as you can see, we are waiting, we are running the command. I don't have direct access to your computer box documents cloud folder. My Sandbox only has access to your connected workspace folders, and that path hasn't been mounted. Let me browse and work files from that folder. You would need to connect it. Would you like me to request access to join it? So as you can see, we don't have the access to. Claude Cowork don't have access to this folder, of course. So we cannot lift it, but we can actually connect it. So let's connect this folder. I'm not going to type it, I'm just going to click it, so documents, cloud, and select folder. Now this command will work. Read, maybe not read, but list all files from this folder, like this. Now it should work. As you can see, we are loading, we are running the command, and as you can see, now we are actually printing that's what is inside of this file. Why? Because we connected it into the Claude Cowork, and the model actually has the access to our folder, but it still don't have access to our operating system, and it is actually not performing the comment on our operating system. And how can we check it? We can check it by doing something like this. Let's click on that, and the Sandbox file system is an isolated environment where Cowork run tasks. So as you can see, we have loading tools and we have result. You have something in JSON here, but it is not really important. We have the running command, and as you can see, the Cowork is running the ls-la command. This is a Linux command, not on our operating system, but on the Sandbox session that he created. So he is not actually running this ls-la command on this user computer box documents and cloud, but it is running this command on the session like Laughing Happy Goldberg Mountain Cloud. So as you can see, he has the own Sandbox that he is, I would say, copying our files to and our folder to, and he's executing that in this section. So this is very important, and this is basically all in this video. This is the difference between file system and the Sandbox that Claude Cowork is using. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.